am strong. In your presence I belong. Every fear just fades away when I hear your voice today.
You are light inside the dark. You have healed my broken heart. Every breath I give to you, for your mercy